Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 30th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the pound dollar, we did jump into my little box right here, which is my target for a regular flat. Now, it doesn't mean that it's just going to turn up just instantly because it hit my box. It could even push down to the 100% or the 105%. So right now, there's really no reason to say that this is turned up. It easily could go down quite a bit more before it actually turns up, and it possibly could even turn into an expanding, which would likely put us all the way down into this area. So as of right now, we are definitely still very bearish on the pound dollar. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here because this is the last impulsive move. If the market is going to continue to trend, then it will not break structure. If it does break structure, then we definitely should become bullish on the pound dollar. But if it doesn't break structure, we definitely want to look at anything we see to the upside as a possible pullback within a downtrend. So what I'm hoping to see is maybe a nice fib bounce, a nice engulfing move to the downside for a possible sorting opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.